Alright, so now that we know that this affiliate marketer made like over $300,000 with this product, we know his traffic source, we know what the funnel he's using. Now we can copy his entire funnel with just one click. Now we need to find someone, spy on someone that's already making money in our niche. And from there we can copy their entire funnel and start using it ourselves. So what I like to do here is I like to sign up for a affiliate network like ClickBank, or the better option is to find a private affiliate program like Legendary Marketer. So now let's look at the way he's promoting it and what funnel he's using. So I just went over to Instagram and I searched for his name, and there you go guys, he popped up like on the first place. This is his main Instagram account, Andre Yermev Official. He has 50,000 followers, and as you can see, he's creating short Instagram reels. He uses Instagram and TikTok to promote this affiliate product, and as you can see, he's made over $300,000 in commissions. So now let's see what funnel they are using. So all you have to do is just click on their link, right? And you can see that this is his opt-in page. Very simple. Start making money online. Ever wanted to create a super profitable online business but lacked the ability to desire or create products? So this is a simple opt-in page that he uses to collect leads that he follows up with later on. So now let me show you a very special tool that I use myself to copy these types of funnels that we know work, right? So head over to funnelhackerlab.com. This is an awesome tool with awesome features that will help you copy profitable funnels just like I showed you and use them yourself. So this tool not only can copy and paste websites online, but they have over 400 funnel templates in 60 different niches. They also have a feature called Design on Demand. So if you want to create a custom funnel, you don't even have to do it yourself. All you have to do is just contact their support team and they will do the funnel. They will create the funnel for you. And obviously the funnel copier tool. So this helps you, it's like an extension, very easy to download. All you have to do is just copy a funnel and paste it into your ClickFunnels account. So I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. So if you want to learn more about their tools and features, just click the link below this video. But basically they have a funnel library of over 400 templates, design on demand, and the funnel copier tool. Now once you have your funnel up and running, they also have traffic training. You can see down here, they will also show you how to get traffic to your funnel. But guys, I already showed you how this guy is promoting his funnel, and that's with TikTok and Instagram. You can also copy his videos if you want to, right? So now head over to ClickFunnels. If you don't have a free account, then create one. There's a 14-day free trial, so you can try this method out completely for free. Or they work with GoHighLevel. This is also a funnel builder. It's even cheaper than ClickFunnels. So if you want to go with this route, you can do that as well. So I'm going to go to ClickFunnels, right? I'm going to build a funnel from scratch, and I'm going to show you guys how to copy this website and use it as your own. All right, so now head over to the page that you want to copy. Now, just a quick reminder, this tool only works with ClickFunnels. So you can only copy websites made in ClickFunnels, but like 90% people online use ClickFunnels to build their websites. So this is okay. So as you can see down here, made with ClickFunnels. So I'm going to click on the extension tab. I'm going to click on funnel cloner. This is the extension. I'm going to click on copy funnel. Now head over to your ClickFunnels editor and now click on the extension tool once again, and now click on paste funnel. So as you can see guys, the entire website has been pasted into your ClickFunnels account. So now we also need the bridge page, but once again, just go to the thank you page, click on edit page. Now head back to his funnel, opt in real quick. Once again, grab the funnel cloner tool, copy funnel, go back to your editor, and now once again, the same thing, and paste it inside your funnel. And as you can see, word for word, looks exactly the same. So this is the bridge page. Very cool tool, guys. I highly recommend you use it. I'm going to leave a link below this video. It's also very affordable. You also get traffic training, funnel templates. I'm also just going to show you guys everything you get if you decide to use their tool. So as you can see guys, this works every time. You can literally copy any website online and use it as your own. All right, so if you decide to purchase this tool, this is what you're going to get. you're gonna get the funnel library just like I mentioned. There's over 400 different templates in 60 different niches. So as you can see, these are all of the funnel templates that are already pre-made for you, so you can just copy these inside your ClickFunnels or GoHighLevel account. So you can pick a niche up here, like click on the categories, and if you're in the, let's just say the credit repair niche, just click on credit repair, and these are all of the funnels pre-made. All you have to do is just change up the text and copy them into your account. So all you have to do is click on ClickFunnels, and as you can see, add funnel. Now it's copying the funnel from the funnel library, and it's going to appear here in just a second. So now you can click on view funnel, and let's preview it in a new tab. And as you can see, the entire funnel was pasted into your ClickFunnels account. So this is very, very helpful if you want to go this route, and you can even create your own funnel from scratch, but the templates are very, very helpful. These are already pre-made to convert. All you have to do is change up some of the text and the images, and basically just use your own branding. Now here's your design on demand feature. If you want to just start from scratch, completely from scratch, build a brand new custom funnel, you can fill out this form and they will do it for you. Now here, when you click on design assets plus trainings, here you're gonna get training videos on how to get traffic, organic traffic. You're gonna get design assets that you can use into your YouTube videos, PowerPoint presentations, basically infographics. So let me just show you guys what this looks like. 30 done for you videos, intro videos, spokesman videos, royalty-free music, images, marketing infographics, fitness infographics. You can use these yourself, on your social media posts, in your YouTube videos, or whatever you decide, or however you decide to promote your funnel. But you can use all of these awesome bonuses. Now, once again, what's very helpful is the organic traffic fundamentals and the advanced traffic training. So this is going to teach you guys how to get traffic to your funnels. If you want to go a different route, if you don't want to show your face on Instagram or TikTok, if you're uncomfortable showing your face on camera, doing these types of videos, then you can just watch these videos, and I believe there's a bunch of awesome strategies that Blade, the creator of this awesome tool, has for you. Now, if you don't want to use ClickFunnels, if you find it too expensive, it's like $100 per month, you can go to GoHighLevel.com. This is a very, very cool tool as well, guys. You can build funnels, manage your contacts, your consultation. Basically, this is like an all-in-one marketing tool that's going to help you, manage your entire business. So I'm going to log in for you guys real quick and show you how to copy and paste these funnels inside GoHighLevel as well. All right, so once you're in your GoHighLevel account, all you have to do is click on funnels, add new funnel. They too have, templates made for you. So this is a test to show you guys, or you can go to the template library. But I'm just going to go to create funnel, add new step, and you can see here that import from ClickFunnels optional. I'm just going to add the URL from this website just to show you guys how easy it is to also copy this type of website into your ClickFunnels account. So the name for this page is the bridge, right? Create funnel step, and as you can see, once again, the entire page has been copy and pasted inside your GoHighLevel funnel builder. So as you can see, guys, this is very, very helpful. This saves you like so much time building funnels, coming up with new ideas. You can basically hop into any niche, whether that's the make money online niche, the health niche. You can then find an affiliate product to promote on ClickBank or Digistore24, or you can go with the legendary marketer program, or you can find a different program online. Or there's another option, and that is to find an account, like for example keto. Now, I know a lot of people are promoting the keto diet. You can search for accounts like this, then you can click on one of these accounts and look at what they're promoting, and once again just click on the website and copy the funnel, find the affiliate program, find the affiliate product that they're promoting online, and just put everything together, and you can start promoting the product the exact same way. So basically, find a niche, right? Then find an account or affiliate product, and then find someone who has already making money with this product, and copy their funnel and their marketing strategy. So this is the exact method I use to make an extra $150 per day with this exact strategy. It works every time. The tool is awesome, it works every time, and it saves you so much time. You don't have to create anything new. Just copy and paste it into your ClickFunnels or GoHighLevel account and then start promoting the exact same product. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you found value, make sure to subscribe if you're new and like this video to support this channel. Make sure to click the first link below this video to check out Funnel Hacklab. Take a look at their page, their website, look at the features that they have, and you never know, this might be the perfect fit for you. If you don't know how to build funnels, if you don't know how to build websites, you can basically spy on others in your niche and copy what they're doing, right? So what I'm trying to say here is don't try to reinvent the wheel. Use what's working, copy the funnel, find the product online, and use the same marketing strategies like the person that already has results uses. Just like I showed you in this video, Andre is using Instagram Reels and TikTok to promote this product. He made over $300,000. So why not copy his funnel? Why not use the exact same marketing strategies like he's using? This is going to work for you guys 100%.